Minister Nangthong Bombarine, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju congratulate Mirabai for her latest feat. Chief Minister chairs review meeting on construction of helipads at 5 locations in state. Upgradation of road infrastructure along Bir Tikendrijit International Airport also discussed. Hockey World Cup trophy arrives at Imphal for public display as part of trophy tour visiting 13 states and 1 union territory. And Eastern Nagaland People's Organization (ANPO), along with Rajya Sabha MP Phangnon Kongyak, meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss demand for separate state. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself, and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in detail. Manipur's on-star weightlifter Saiko Mirabai Chanu won a silver medal at the 2022 World Weightlifting Championship in Bogota, Colombia. She lifted a total of 200 kg with 87 kg in snatch and 113 kg in clean and jerk to finish behind Jiang, who lifted 206 kg with 93 kg in snatch and 113 kg in clean and jerk, and ahead of China's Olympic champion Ho Jihua, who lifted 198 kg with 89 kg in snatch and 109 kg in clean and jerk. This was Mirabai's second medal at a world event, having earlier won a gold medal at the 2017 World Championship with a lift of 194 kg, 85 kg plus 109 kg. She finished fourth in the 2019 edition. Olympic silver medalist Chanu started slowly with an 85 kg lift in snatch. She fell her second attempt of 87 kg before clearing her third with the same weight. This put her in 5th place behind Jiang Cambay of Romania, Nina of Brazil, and Ho Xiang, who topped of the standings with 93 kg, and Cambay occupied second spot with lift of 90 kg. Mirabai was unable to lift on her first attempt in the clean and jerk, but made a huge recovery in the second. Her lift of 111 kg in second attempt propelled her into medal contention. Mirabai then took her score further by lifting 113 kg in her third attempt to match Jiang in the clean and jerk. Earlier this year, Chanu had breezed to a Commonwealth Games gold medal with a lift of 201 kg, 88 kg plus 113 kg in Birmingham. Meanwhile, Mirabai, upon getting the achievement, said she is extremely humble and grateful for the victory, adding that it is a small step towards eventual goal of an Olympic gold. She also expressed immense gratitude to her coach Vijaya, President of Indian Weightlifting Federation, IWLF, Shahdev Yadav, Sports Authority of India, and all her supporters and well-wishers. She affirmed to continue doing her best and make everyone proud. Congratulatory messages pour in as weightlifter Mirabai Chanu won a silver medal at the 2022 World Weightlifting Championships. Chief Minister N. Biren was among the first few who congratulated Mirabai. The Chief Minister took to his Twitter and Facebook account to extend his wishes to Mirabai Chanu on winning the silver medal in the women's 49 kg event at the World Weightlifting Championship 2022 in Bogota. He praised her stupendous performance and wished her best in all her future endeavors. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju also congratulated Mirabai for her latest feat. Chief Minister Nangthong Bombarine chaired a review meeting on the construction of helipads at 5 locations in the state today. During the meet, Chief Minister N. Biren said the helipads are being constructed under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Uday Desh Ka Aam Nagrik Udan scheme, which has been introduced to make air travel more affordable by increasing air routes and subsidizing air travel in the northeast region. With the objective of cutting travel time in Manipur at affordable rates, Chief Minister launched the first helicopter service of the state between Imphal and Jiribam at Harinagar Helipad in Jiribam district in September 2018. However, the service was suspended after some months, reportedly after the service provider, Noida-based state-run Pawan Hans, suspended the service with the expiry of service period, which was not extended further for reasons best known to the government and service provider. Bahrain had also said that the government is having a discussion with the concerned parties for introduction of similar service for places like Churachandpur, Senapati, and Ukhrul in the state if necessary. Mention may also be made that Chief Minister and Bahrain relaunch the helicopter service of the state connecting Imphal and Jiribam, Tamenglong, and Moreh at Imphal International Airport on August 2019. Chief Minister and Bahrain also discussed with the officials of PWD, Transport Department, and Airport Authority of India for upgrading the road infrastructure along the Bir Tikendrajit International Airport to boost connectivity within the state during the review meeting held at CM Secretariat, official sources said. CFNPD Minister El Susindro was also present at the meet. The trophy of the 2023 FIH Men's Hockey World Cup arrived at Imphal. The Hockey World Trophy was present in Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium at Imphal today. The Hockey World Cup trophy arrived at Imphal in Manipur for public display as part of the trophy tour visiting 13 states and 1 union territory. Manipur State Sports Minister Govindas Kontojam and officials of the Manipur Hockey Board brought the World Cup trophy to Imphal on Wednesday. On Thursday, December 8, the trophy of the Hockey World Cup will reach Guwahati in Assam. Notably, Guwahati in Assam and Imphal in Manipur are the only 2 cities in entire Northeast where the trophy will be kept for a day. Odisha Chief Minister Navin Patnaik on Monday launched the trophy tour of the FIH Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup 2023 in Bhubaneswar. Odisha Chief Minister Navin Patnaik handed over the trophy to Hockey India President Dilip Tirke. The FIH Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup 2023 will be held at Bhubaneswar and Rourkela from January 13 to 29th. 16 teams will be competing for the prestigious trophy. Odisha is the official sponsor of both the men and women's hockey teams till 2033. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization (ENPO), along with Rajya Sabha MP Phangnon Konyak on Tuesday met Union Home Minister Amit Saha in New Delhi to discuss its demand for a separate state frontier Nagaland. The talk team of the ENPO informed that the meeting with Saha at his official residence was very successful. The meeting was attended by MPRS Phangnon Konyak, Secretary MHA, Director IB, Additional Secretary MHA, Northeast, and Advisor of Northeast. The ENPO leaders informed that Saha had expressed concern and granted ample time to the team for the talk as per a media report. It said that the Union Home Minister Saha had appreciated the Eastern people for being a part of the nation building thus far and acknowledged that the grievances and requests for a separate entity were understood. Saha also highlighted a clear roadmap for amicable, legislative and sustainable solutions for Eastern Nagaland, which will include consultation with the people of Eastern Nagaland and the Nagaland state government. The leaders also stated that the Union Home Minister assured them that he will visit Eastern Nagaland by January 2023. Golden Sun Private Limited, a non-government company which is one of the biggest food processing and packaging industry in Manipur, was launched in the state today. The event was held at Singjamai OINAM Thingel, Lairembi Maning. Speaking at the event, proprietor of Golden Sun, Okram Jenny, said that various fruit and vegetable processing methods were widely practiced in the state since olden times. She pointed out that the sun drying method is one of the oldest methods of preservation of food materials in Manipur. She further highlighted the time consumption in the process of food preservation through sun drying, adding that If not practiced with caution and care, it can cause hazards owing to dust contamination. She asserted that due to the advancement of science and technology, food processing and preservation can be done in hygienic ways in just a few hours' time. She maintained that the company was launched with an aim to ensure safer food to all.
Hanagi matamdagi so dum business production je dum kanghalam me sun right oina ado aina ngasigi kanghali bagi hadi machine je sisina magi season da phangam ba pot jai sing je samna harabada yongsa oiro laiwa oiro tha ani hum khatang phangam me ba ado aigi machine si sisina ro matungda akoina magi production se hadi hena value added toksala matungda akoina chahi chupa phanghan bagi target tu ne ba aina khanjai se hauji makidi aigi machine sina machine pangkhat paga aigi inauguration function jiga matam chana gi da base si jina di hauji handak chahi gi di adu gi level du di ngamja tre adu lakadori ba chahi ji da di aina soidana ngamna bo hona jagani thaina gi akhoi gi ahalaman na torong ba da di ngasai pot ama kang han ba matam da numitare ni numitara ni gum sangam me ba ado ai gi machine sina di 7 to 10 hours changaga pot e kang halani ado ga di manga dori ba khoi manipur da season ama da pot mayam ma dum mangal leba adu mayam di akhoina ai gi machine sina tawraga yari makai angam ba ai ngam jawa thata hona jaraga poching je kam halauraga preserve toraga value added toraga store toraga thamora.
Speaking at the event, Project Director MoMA K. Devdatta Sharma said that the state government has begun supporting and initiating various welfare activities for the budding entrepreneurs of the state. He noted that many women of the state are leading in the food sector and various other fields, calling it a huge pride for the state. He also lauded all concerned for launching the Golden Sun Company, aiding that it will facilitate in preserving foods and save food from being wasted. Joint Director of ICR Imphal, I. Megachandra, Director of Extension, GAO Imphal, Professor P.H. Ranjit Sharma, Dean of College of Food Technology, GAO Imphal, Professor Dr. N.G. Iboyaima, Associate Professor of College of Food Technology, GAO Imphal, Dr. N.G. Joykumar, and Head of Department of Entomology, COA, GAO Imphal, Dr. K.H. Ibohol, took part in the event.
Hygiene maintain to you. Sida alpha toxin contamination, microbial, masida yam na conscious way with him mapangi. Broadly consumers since masida tina conscious way. Some na have done a siboba any fresh vegetables from India, US the thing is no. Salmonella have aduma microbes mayaw. Totally banned. Chumaito na Japan standard akoina Dubai the Dubai the house taste only. Moigi any food product not tragasu moigi municipality lab taste through to Dubai market chandulati. Anything of like the Tavia product come up taste of listening a kenny twitch a product manga taste of your Manipur. Like a loin clear way, to the wine hygiene standard sheet makal lake. Masia Hodite on the section number 1.
Chief Minister Enbirin extended heartiest greetings to all rank and file of the armed forces as well as our ex-servicemen and their families on the occasion of the Armed Forces Flag Day 2022. The Chief Minister in his greetings saluted the brave and devoted soldiers who defended the honor and safety of the nation by defending its nation, be it land, water or air. Stating that they have always been at the forefront to protect the nation, he asserted that their valor, grit, and sacrifice continue to inspire the people every single day. He further said the Armed Forces Flag Day is observed to acknowledge the indomitable courage and sacrifices made by our brave soldiers in defense of our country. He also wished the best to all the armed forces of the nation and lauded them for their relentless contributions. He further urged to the people to extend their support and cooperation to contribute generously towards the Armed Forces Flag Day Fund in support of the Armed Forces personnel, ex-servicemen, and their family members. With a view to espouse the vision of Chief Minister Enbirin to realize a drug-free Manipur, the District Administration Ukhrul, led by Deputy Commissioner Ukhrul, Krishna Kumar, along with SP of Ukhrul, Ningshem Vasum, and a team comprising of 6 Manipur Rifles SEO LM Block destroyed poppy plants grown in over 20 acres of land at Ringui village under Lungchong Mayfai subdivision today. Illegal materials used for the poppy cultivations were also seized by the team. They also warned that action will be initiated against the villagers who are supporting poppy plantation in the area. An awareness campaign on alternative livelihood was also held at Ringway, Tunggo village and neighboring non-poppy cultivating Tainem village. Seeds and manures under District Agriculture and Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Ukhrul were also distributed to farmers during the mass awareness campaign. Further, the district administration assured that it will strive to bring about a drug-free atmosphere in the district and engage wholeheartedly to provide alternative livelihood to the poppy growers. An awareness campaign regarding special summary revision on Photo Electoral Roll 2023 with reference to 1st January 2023 as the qualifying date was held at Nuite Kailhang Ima Market in Kangpopi District today. The awareness campaign was organized by the District Election Officer Kangpopi as part of the Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation SEEP campaign. Apart from providing various facilities to the voters, the campaign mainly targeted enrollment of first-time voters. The special summary revision on Photo Electoral Roll 2023 enables registration of young voters in the age group 18 to 21 and enroll them in the electoral roll. It also enables the deletion, transfer of voters from one place to another and correction of information available in the electoral roll. Later, the district election team also carried out awareness campaign on electoral rolls in Kangpopi town, wherein they appeal to everyone to enroll themselves in the electoral roll and avail required facilities. Somsai Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South organized a cyber awareness lecture for troops of Assam Rifles on the occasion of Cyber Jagrukata Divas at Somsai Ukhrul district today. During the lecture, troops were made aware with respect to do's and don'ts on social media. Safeguarding mobile and personal computer from cyber attacks was also discussed. Sangsak Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South also organized a lecture on cybercrime and safety for troops and families of Assam Rifles on the occasion of Cyber Jagrukta Divas at Sangshak in Ukhrul district today. During the lecture, troops and families were made aware with respect to do's and don'ts on social media, safeguarding mobile and personal computer from cybercrimes and safety measures was also stressed upon. Manipur witnessed 0 coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours. The active cases remains at 1. The state's tally stands at 1,39,919. There were no fatalities reported in the same hours as per the latest updates from the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. The recovery rate stands at 98.46%, while the death toll remains at 2,149. COVID-19 cases in India witnessed a margin decline, with the country reporting 166 fresh infections in the past 24 hours, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 4,46,73,949, while the number of active cases of the infection has dipped to 4,255, which constitute 0.01% of the total infections. A decrease of 90 cases has been recorded in the active COVID-19 caseload in a span of 24 hours. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll due to the viral disease has gone up to 5,30,638 with just 2 new fatalities. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,41,39,056. The country's recovery rate stands at 98.80%. Over 219.94 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 65 crore 11 lakh, while more than 66 lakh 50,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 62 crore 76 lakh. Globally, USA has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. Inside Northeast organized a free eye camp at Cycle in Kangpokpi district today. The event was sponsored by MLA of Cycle constituency, P. Kim Neo Hang Sing. A team of Sight Care Foundation from Chennai carried out eye screening, and spectacles were also distributed to those who were checked up on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Director of Insight Northeast, Hijang Misao, said that with the rise in digital technology, there is also a rise in eyesight problem. He said that the objective of the camp is to provide proper screening to those having eyesight problems. Commemorating Armed Forces Flag Day today, Tamenglong Battalion, under the aegis of Headquarter 22 Sector Assam Rifles IGR East, organized a motivational lecture and drawing competition for children at Tamenglong. The event aimed to identify enormous potential in school-going children and to spread awareness among the local, especially children, regarding the importance of armed forces and invoke feeling of patriotism. Winners of the competition were also felicitated on the occasion. Jwalamukhi Battalion, under the aegis of Inspector General Assam Rifles East, also held Armed Forces Day today. The event was held at Makhan village in Kangpokpi district. Large number of veterans along with the youth of the areas jointly sung the national anthem on the occasion. Attendees also paid tributes to the fallen heroes. Later, the battalion presented IT equipment including computer sets and printers to the youths of Makhan village so as to enable the youth to harness their computer skills and achieve self-reliance and seek better job avenues for themselves. Many youths and ex-servicemen and people of the area took part in the event. Meanwhile, Somsai Battalion of Assam Rifles, under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South, also provided computer sets with accessories and printer to Farung Simtang Primary School in Ukhrul district today. A total of 5 computer sets and 1 printer was provided to the school to facilitate training of around 40 students. Modi Battalion of Assam Rifles, under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South, organized a wreath-laying ceremony in Chandel district today. The event was held to pay tribute to rifleman late Rakesh Singh, who gave the supreme sacrifice in 2001. The battalion also reached out to the next of kin of the martyr and gifted them mementos as a token of remembrance. Now it's time for a short commercial break. We will be back with latest news and updates. Keep watching IS News.
Manipurda Agri Entrepreneurs based in a basket, Pukai Agri Business, None Banana Company na Chingba Kaya, Semkalaba Matung. Program asi Hausik, Manipur ge Agri Entrepreneur Iningba, Mipum Kuding Maktagi application Kauzari. Manipur ge District Pumnamak Kavatak Zagani, Training Pigani Amadi Kankalaba Entrepreneur Sinda, Business Pilot Taunanaba Grant Ke, Mateng Supizagani. Business idea or model book wahi chamanga dagi tadana ithoklaga apply to biu. Ekhoi email address contact@malkkfoundation.org. Hena akupa marol ge damak 897-447-8068 contact to biu.
Electric laktabana maram oiduna asabi ising phanglar haibi nungsa thiningai leitraba. Thompson Solar Water Heater. Contact number 9862669522. Aikhoigi address Hairanggoidong Nitamta Karong, Impal West.
Welcome back. You're watching IS Primetime English News. The Aam Aadmi Party crossed the halfway mark, gaining a majority in the Municipal Corporation of Delhi elections today, thus uprooting the Bharatiya Janata Party 15-year-long rule in the city's civic body. According to the latest data shared by the Election Commission, the AAP won 126 wards out of 250 so far. The BJP, which has been ruling the civic body since 2007, managed to win 97 seats, with the party leading on 6 seats till 2 p.m., thus facing a defeat in the MCD polls after 15 years. The party workers gathered in front of the office and rejoiced and chanted slogans praising party chief Arvind Kejriwal. But the party is held on the hope as the counting began at 8 a.m. with the BJP claiming to win the elections for the 4th time, while the AAP exuded confidence in winning the elections. The high civil battle, which was fought in the election campaign ahead of the polling on December 4th, witnessed the claims and counterclaims by both parties, BJP and AAP, of winning the elections. However, it all boiled down to December 7, when the outcome of the election was revealed. Congress, which is mostly focusing on the success of the Bharat Jodo Yatra, was not predicted in the exit poll to be a prominent challenger in the recently conducted polling. The winter session of the Parliament began today. 16 new bills is set to be tabled in this session. The day's proceedings began with parliamentarians paying homage to leaders who lost their lives this year. Several bills were also introduced on the first day. Union Home Minister Amit Saha introduced a bill for Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is also said to make a statement on the latest developments in India's foreign policy. He will also move a bill to make special provisions for the repression of piracy on high seas and to provide for punishment for the offence of piracy and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto to be taken into consideration. The winter session will last till December 29th with 17 sittings over 23 days. Meanwhile, interacting with media persons in the Parliament House complex today morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged all political parties to take collective efforts to make the winter session of Parliament more productive. He appealed them to give chance to young members to participate in debates which will help in shaping their future. He also said that efforts will be made to take important decisions during the session while keeping in mind to take the country to new heights. The counting of votes for Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh Assembly elections will be held tomorrow. It will start at 8 a.m. The counting for bypolls to Manpuri Lok Sabha seat and 6 assembly constituencies in 5 states will also be taken up tomorrow. Election Commission has made elaborate arrangements to ensure smooth and peaceful counting. There will be 37 counting centers in Gujarat covering 182 assembly seats, while in Himachal Pradesh counting will take place at 68 centers where mobile phone, iPad, laptop and other recording devices are barred. Gujarat Chief Electoral Officer P. Bharati said this time EVMs and postal ballot papers will be counted simultaneously. Proper security arrangement has been made in and around the counting centers. Now we have the sports news. In the FIFA World Cup 2022 football, Portugal crushed Switzerland 6-1 in the round of 16 match and secured their spot in the 2022 World Cup quarter-finals at Lusail Iconic Stadium, Qatar last night. Portugal will set up a quarter-final clash with giant slayers Morocco. Earlier, Morocco advanced to the quarter-finals after beating Spain 3-0 on penalties after the round of 16 match ended as 0-0 in the extra time at the Education City Stadium in Qatar. With this win, Morocco entered the quarter-finals for the first time. Morocco had advanced to the round of 16 of the mega event for the first time since 1986. Earlier, the match went in extra time, where yet again both teams failed to score a goal. In the end, just like the game between Croatia and Japan ended, Spain and Morocco, fate depended on the penalty shootout. This was Spain's fourth World Cup loss in a penalty shootout, the most by a team on football's biggest stage. In the first quarterfinals on Friday, Croatia will take on Brazil at Education City Stadium in Qatar at 8:30 p.m. 32 top countries from 5 regions will be in action for the championship title. All 64 matches will be held across 8 stadiums in Qatar. A footballing era, the like of which we will be lucky to see again, will come to an end in Qatar as the host of icons including Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, Thiago Silva and Luka Modric, among others, are brace for what will likely be the final appearance at the World Cup. The All India Football Federation (AIFF) has confirmed Manipur as a venue for the Group 6 matches for the upcoming 76th Men's National Football Championship for the Hero Santosh Trophy. The matches will be played from January 18, 2023 till January 26, 2023. Earlier, 5 other venues were finalized, while Group 1 will be played in Delhi from December 23rd till December 31st. The Group 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be played in Kozhikode, Kerala from December 26 till January 8, 2023 at Kokrajhar, Assam from December 28 till January 5, 2023 at Kolhapur, Maharashtra from January 7 till 15, 2023 and at Bhubaneswar, Odisha from December 24 till January 1, 2023 respectively. The Senior National Football Championship will be played in a new format that will see the 36 states fight it out across 6 groups for a chance to make it to the final round. The 6 group toppers, along with 3 best second-place teams, will qualify for the final rounds. It is said that railways and services will get direct entry along with the hosts. Chandigarh, Manipur, Jharkhand, Punjab, Lakshadweep and Himachal Pradesh will compete in the Group 6 matches. National Judge Grade 1 from Manipur, Kangabam Romeo Meitei, has been selected as judge for the Asian Sports Climbing Championship. The event will be held at Tata Steel Adventure Foundation, Jamshedpur and Jharkhand from January 8 till 11th. It is organized by IFSC, Asia and Indian Mountaineering Foundation. Romeo is currently serving as president of Manipur Sports Climbing Association, MASCA, and also the secretary of the Indian Mountaineering Foundation, IMF Northeast Zone. Following the selection, Manipur Sport Climbing Association, MASCA, and Indian Mountaineering Foundation, IMF Northeast Zone express happiness and wish Romeo success in the assignment given to him as judge for the coveted Asian Championship. The second edition of Haishnam Basantakumar Memorial Invitation Tennis Tournament 2022, organized by the Imphal District Tennis Association (IDTA) under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association (MATA), began today at the courts of IDTA, Thao, CYLC, Chingamatag and SEYO Akampat. The 5-day tournament offers a total cash prize money of Rs 2 lakh, which is considered as one of the highest in local circuit. About 75 players are competing in the 7 categories, including men's open single and doubles, 35 plus single and doubles, 45 plus single and doubles, 55 plus doubles category. During the tournament, tennis players from Assam, Nagaland, Rajasthan, a Manipuri player settled in South Africa, and various local players are exhibiting their might and skills. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Saiko Mirabai Chanu wins silver medal at 2022 World Weightlifting Championship. Many, including Chief Minister Nangthong Mambirin, Union Minister Kiran Rijizu, congratulate Mirabai for her latest feat. Chief Minister chairs review meeting on construction of helipads at 5 locations in state. Upgradation of road infrastructure along Bir Tikendrijit International Airport also discussed. Hockey World Cup trophy arrives at Imphal for public display as part of trophy tour visiting 13 states and 1 union territory. And Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ANPO, along with Rajya Sabha MP Phangnon Konyak, meet Union Home Minister Amit Saha to discuss demand for a separate state. That's all we have in this bulletin. Coming up next, we have IOS Primetime Manipur News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.